Ano ba ang difference between a shareholder and a depositor ng bank? You'll be shocked kasi sobrang laki ng difference. If you are a depositor, customer ka ng bank. The bank will give you convenience and keep your money safe. In return, you'll earn 0.015% interest every single year. If isa kang shareholder, part owner ka ng bank. In return, you'll get potential high interest rates plus dividend. The best experience I had was earning 32% interest in just 2 weeks dahil isa akong shareholder ng PPI. Yan ang benefit as a shareholder. Therefore, if you want to grow your money, buy shares of stocks ng bank. Gusto mo bang matuto paano maging shareholder ng bank? Just comment down below BPI and I'll send you the details.